Now we enter my room and oh, what is this? Hello pals, welcome back to another video. So today I am at a different location. I am actually at another beach house. I am back. I'm going to be doing a house tour maybe today or tomorrow, We came here late, so we're just settling in and we're waiting for my dad to come back from the store. But we are in Galveston in this really, really beautiful area. It's so amazing. So make sure to stay tuned for my upcoming house tour 2021. So let's move on to these toys. I have found these toys for Zippy. The reason I'm not getting not Zippy. The reason I'm not getting Spooky too many toys is just because he's still young and he doesn't really play with them a lot. But I will start giving him much more toys when he ends up growing up, because right now he's a baby and he doesn't know how to forage or chew on anything yet. So I'm going to be opening these for Zippy. So let's get on to all these very amazing toys. All right, I'm just gonna rip it since I don't have scissors or a knife here with me currently. All right, so the first toy is this little perch. And I'm sorry if my quality is not as good as normally, or you can't really see it. I have a different tripod with me. So we're just gonna see how that goes. So I'm going to open the swing. I got these toys at PetSmart. This one is called Swing Birdie Basics. And it looks like this. It's like cork material down here. It's like wood/cork. And you open it and it's like this really cute little chain up here. And this is a safety lock. You have to untwist it to open it. It's really good. And then here, they could hop on here and they could swing. The only thing wrong about this is I wish it was a different type of wood that actually shaves their nails. This one doesn't shave their nails because it's obviously smooth. It doesn't have anything on it. So that's the only problem with this. But this, after all, is a very, very great toy. Moving on to number 2. For number 2, we have this little feeding mirror set. It's just called Cup by Birdie Basics. I love Birdie Basics. You could look them up on Amazon or just on Google, wherever you have them or whenever you search. So we have this mirror. Oh, you could see the light is right. We have this mirror and we have this cup. You just attach it like this. And then you cup this onto wherever you want. It doesn't have to be by the door. It could be wherever your little things are. Oh, my hoodie. Sorry. I get distracted a lot. But here is this little cup that they eat from. You could put snacks there and all that, So I definitely think this is great. It's nothing special though. It's just a normal tie. So if your parrot likes looking at himself, I definitely recommend this. It's a great toy while they're eating, so they think they're eating with their friends. Moving on to number 3. Not this. This is just a beak scratcher. I'm not going to review a beak scratcher because I did already in one of my videos. So I'll have the link in the description for that video. This is toy number 3. It's this mirror, and then it has beads so they could shuffle it up and down. So the good thing about this toy is that Spooky might enjoy this more than Zippy, because Zippy doesn't really play with beads. So I already have a toy for Spooky. And I'm not saying I don't have toys for Spooky. I make homemade toys for my parrots. But mostly for Zippy, I buy them. But I definitely make toys. So I'm kind of combining both of them, but I already have a toy for Spooky now. That took me a while to open. I hate it when that happens. You can't open it. All right, now that we have opened it, this is what it looks like. You just slide it on their cage. I'll show you in a second. It's flimsy here, so it's good. Oh, I forgot to show you what it was called. Oh no. I think it Just Mirror. Yeah, Just Mirror by Birdie Basics. So they have these little things. You slide it up and down, and they chew on it. It's a mirror. It's very, very adorable. I definitely recommend it. Moving on to number 4. For number 4, we have this little mirror with the bell. It is absolutely too cute. I love the little red. And this one comes with a clip, a miniature clip. I actually find the miniature clips kind of hard to use because like when you press them, they just slide off your finger. So I kind of feel like that's a bit hard. But you could always just slide it off and exchange it with a bigger one or like something that's easier for you. So this one comes with a bell. This bell is kind of like flat. It's not circular, which actually is better for birds because these circular ones, they don't stop and they make too much noise. So I feel like this is a better bell than others. I usually look for these, the flat like insides of the bell whenever I'm getting toys for birds because it's not too noisy. So this is a mirror. It's just called Mirror by Birdie Basics. You could find this online on any platform. I just opened it and it flung everywhere. But anyways, so this is what it looks like. It has a little flat piece I was talking about earlier. If I can get it. See, it has a flat piece right here. So whenever you shake it, it doesn't make too much noise, which is good. It's like a sweet shop sound. So it comes with this little miniature hook, and it's pretty thick for a mirror, actually. It's quite dense. So if you have a weak cage, I don't know if you can use this. I'm not quite sure. You could try, but I'm not sure. Moving on to number 5. Number 5 is this mini ladder. I've actually been looking for this everywhere, but I finally found it. It's called Ladder by Birdie Basics. Oops, I hit my tripod. It's just too cute. You could adjust these wherever you would like them to go. I'm glad they're adjustable. I have long ones and they're not adjustable, and they're like the opposite sides of each other, which is really hard to use in a cage. So I just don't use it for a cage. I put it by my wall. Oh no, this one's not adjustable. I'll come back when I figure this out. Sadly, I couldn't figure it out. I've been trying to move it for maybe 10 minutes now, and it just won't budge. So that's the problem with ladders. They have these hooks that usually don't end up going in cages because you can't adjust them. Ooh, I finally got it. Yay. That hurt my finger. It made a nice dent in my finger. But anyways, it's just a normal ladder. And the good thing is it has little like details here that when they climb up, it'll shave their paws. I mean claws. Why did I say paws? I have a dog, so I always get them mixed up. But this is what it looks like. It's 3 bars. It's really cute. It's definitely a decorative item for the cage. Thank you, pals, so much for watching today's video. I will have another video posted shortly, so make sure you stay tuned for that. I'm going to show you my parrots really quickly. Here are my adorable parrots. Spooky is doing well. He is in a different cage right now. I will have a video on why he is in a different cage. And here's my little Zipster. He likes hanging upside down. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Bye, pals!